to find the KW community or the Bold community within Keller Williams for my Bold agents. So you go to kwconnect.com. Now, again, this is specific to here versus if you're in Command and you go hit the Connect button, that's a different place. And so this is what'll load. So there's two different KW Connects in the moment. So you just have to be clarity with that. If your picture doesn't show up here under the profile on this top, then hit the login button. It's your single user login and password, so it's going to load in a second. So let's do that. So just type in your username and password, hit login, and you're going to come to this spot. Let's see how fast my connection is today. Not very. And that's what it looks like. So in your right spot, you should have your profile. Now, if nothing shows up here, you want to go do your marketing profile because that's an important part, kind of the foundation for Command. And what we're looking for is memberships. So up here in the top left corner, if you click on My Memberships, as a registered Bold agent, you should have a Bold membership that shows up here on the in the panels or over here in the list. It should be in both spots, right? So if I just go over here to the panel and click Bold Membership, that should load that membership area, and that's where all this really cool free information is for you as a Bold agent. And all of these pictures here are actually live links, so that's one thing that's maybe a little confusing. So if I'm going to go to the buyer consultation, I just click on that, and it's going to load that for me and allow me then to download that, customize it, and have it ready for Bold class tomorrow. So that's it. Go there, come prepared. We'll see you at step 5. Thank you.